Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Integrating PowerShell Scripts with Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. PowerShell and Python are two powerful scripting languages that serve different purposes, but there are scenarios where combining their strengths can provide a robust solution. In this tutorial, we will explore how to integrate PowerShell scripts within Python using the subprocess module. Prerequisites. Step 1. Writing a simple PowerShell script. Create a simple PowerShell script, for example, example.ps1. Open your favorite text editor and add the following script. This script takes a parameter $name and prints a greeting. Step 2. Invoking PowerShell script from Python. Create a Python script, for example, python_script.py. Open your text editor and add the following Python code. This Python script defines a function run_PowerShell_script that takes the path to a PowerShell script and any additional arguments. The function uses the subprocess module to execute the PowerShell script and captures the output. Step 3. Run the Python script. Save both scripts in the same directory and run the Python script. This will execute the PowerShell script from Python and display the output. Conclusion. Integrating PowerShell scripts with Python using the subprocess module allows you to leverage the strengths of both languages. This tutorial provides a basic example, but the principles can be extended to more complex scenarios, making it a versatile solution for automation and system administration tasks. ChatGPT.